Hi everyone, welcome back to Strings and Threads. I'm Heather. Today we're taking the beautiful moss stitch and turning it into a quick and easy mug rug. This is a perfect beginner project. It works up fast, looks great with any yarn, and it's a wonderful way to practice your tension. Materials you'll need for this project are a medium weight acrylic yarn, a 5.5 millimeter eye crochet hook, scissors, and a yarn needle. That's all you'll need. Start by chaining an even number. I'm chaining 18 today, but you can make yours wider or narrower. Just be sure to use an even number so the stitches line up. For row 1, we're going to start by single crocheting in the second chain from the hook. Chain 1, skip a chain, single crochet into the next chain, chain 1, skip a chain, single crochet into the next chain. Continue that pattern all the way across. For row 2, we chain 1 and turn. Now work the chain 1 spaces. You're going to single crochet into the first chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet into the next chain space. Continue that across and continue that pattern until your mug rug is the height that you would like it to be. Once your rectangle is the size you want, we'll add a simple border to clean up the edges. Chain 1 and single crochet all the way around evenly all 4 sides. Add 2 or 3 single crochet stitches in each corner as it goes so that it will lay flat. Fasten off, weave in your ends, and your moss stitch mug rug is done. This makes a fast gift, great decor, and it's a perfect stash buster. If you like this beginner-friendly project, hit the like button and subscribe for more stitch tutorials and patterns. Let me know in the comments what stitches you want to see next. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!